Hey, it's Steph at Glo Skin Beauty, and this is a quick guide to our Clean Canvas Brightening Duo.
The ultimate complexion pick-me-up, brighten and smooth skin with the Skin Energizing Kit. Targeting dull, lackluster, tired skin in need of a glow-up, this skincare kit features full sizes of our best-selling Hydra-Bright AHA Cleanser and Hydra-Bright AHA Hydrator. Powered by AHAs, niacinamide, and vitamin C, they smooth, firm, and boost skin's brightness. Designed to work together, kickstart your routine with a brightening cleanse using Hydra-Bright AHA Cleanser, follow with your toner, serum, and eye cream, then apply Hydra-Bright AHA Hydrator for instant luminosity. Finish with SPF during the day.
I love using these products together to really boost my skin's brightness and radiance. This is such a great value set, perfect for gifting or self-gifting.